said the only book the kid was interested in was Leanne Crosby's, especially The Cabin.
What's this? Joyce Pollock has announced the appointment of Dennis Pollock to the post of president of the
Huh?
Stratton Foundation.
This little bro.
Maybe not. This is dated after Leanne Crosby was shot, after Joyce would have known about the affair.
This is odd about this test. If I am the job, it would be single-handedly engineered to our technology to the state of Maine. It was a huge windfall for the foundation. You sound impressed. Well, the kid's come a long way. And Joyce said he was so dabbling in antiques. Was Mrs. Pollock still impressed with him? Well, what do you mean? Well, any kind of... Oh, to the contrary, they're very much in love. And Joyce has full confidence in that. You read the press release? Listen, a few weeks ago, Joyce had a very close call. A broken gas heater in their country house nearly killed her. Was Dennis with her? No, he's up in Maine. He's busy. But he did